I have had this car since 2003, when my friend Adam, who worked at Saturn of Schaumburg, helped me get this thing for $2,000. Over the 23 years I've owned it, I've had some good times and some bad times. I even had my most viewed YouTube video ever, 1.2 million views. But all stories eventually come to an end.
I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. I'm so tired, but I can't sleep. Standing on the edge of something much too deep. It's funny how we feel so much, we cannot say a word. Though we are screaming inside, oh, we can't be heard. And I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for memories.
Over the 23 years I had this car, I had so many different car stereos in it. I had dual 8s, dual 12s, a single 15, in a sealed box, a single 15 in a ported box. I had Class A B amps, I had Class D amps, I had Alpine, JL audio, all sorts of different stuff. Honestly though, it didn't matter. In this tiny little car, in this tiny little frame, it didn't take much power, it didn't take much subwoofer to get that whole car rocking. Well, old friend, off you go to vehicular Valhalla. I guess this is goodbye.
I say goodbye to what we had. The good time that made us laugh, I'll wave them back. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where the road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. If we get to see tomorrow, I hope it's worth all the wait. It's so hard to say goodbye.